Hi guys, in this video we're going to have a chat between the difference between financial advice and financial planning. And in fairness, there is a big difference between the two. It especially depends though on where you're getting your financial advice or your financial planning advice from. Before we go into that, I just want to run through a view of various different qualifications that are in the industry. The first thing that everybody needs when you get into this industry is what's called the QFA, is the Qualified Financial Advisory Exams. And you find a lot of people when they enter the career, like I did many moons ago in Irish Life, you would have got your past your QFAs and you would have got on the road and you would have been advising clients. In those type of positions, like I was in direct business in Irish Life or the bank consultants, etc., you're going to find a lot of people that are going to be on a targeted base salaries. You might get extra salary and then they get bonuses or commissions on top of that salary should they reach certain commissions or certain goals. In various cases, in my opinion, you're down to financial advice in that situation where people are advising you on products more than necessarily a plan. So that product might be life assurance, income protection, it could be a mortgage even, or it could be an investment account. And the problem for me when it comes to people selling product alone or just trying to find people to sell a product to is that the product might not be in the best interest of the client at that part of time in their life. I'm going to give you a quick example. We come through a lot of people here at askpaul that would have been maybe in the public sector, civil or public sector, and they will have a situation where they're paying ABCs into a pension plan. And a lot of people have been sold a pension or sold an AVC by a product salesperson from a life assurance company or a brokerage. Per se, when it looks at AVCs, they're brilliant. So AVCs are very good. You get tax relief on the way in, you get tax-free growth, and they top your pension plan up and you get retirement age. But not everybody needs an AVC that I can see when they're being sold one. So for argument's sake, let's take a teacher age 25 years of age, and she has a broker salesperson in the staff room talking about AVCs, and she gets sold the AVC. And she takes the ABC into consideration and she puts money into the ABC for when she's 65 years of age, even though she's probably going to have full pension entitlements as a civil servant or public sector worker. Now, in that situation, to me, that's crazy because she doesn't know what her life is going to be at 65 years of age. She's already got a really, really, really good pension plan and now she's being topped up more. Now, again, why is that not probably the best advice? And I'm using the kind of a one rule fits all here, one size fits all. The main problem for me in this situation is that when she gets to maybe 30 or 32 years of age, she may not have a deposit for a house set aside yet, or she may have some personal debt as well. Let's flip it on the head and put her in front of one of my team or put her in front of a financial planner. You're probably going to get a whole map of life between now or 25 years of age right the way up, actually well past retirement age, up to 100 years of age. And it's going to be quite evident not whether she has a shortfall or whether she, first of all, requires an ABC or not. But also, is there anything else to prioritise now in life rather than the ABC? And more cases than not, when somebody's 25 years of age, there's a list of things that need to be set in a priority first before going to the ABC. But the AVC financial advisor or financial salesperson mightn't be in that situation to do it. They're there just to sell the AVC. So I hope this gives you an idea of what the difference between an advisor in relation to selling product or advising on product only versus a financial plan is. Now here at askpaul, we actually do both in fairness. So before anybody jumps on and starts slaughtering us, we usually get a kickback. We're talking about the AVC guys in particular. But we do have an approach for both. So some people will come to us here at askpaul just looking for the likes of an income protection product. So they reach out, they book in for a consultation because they want advice in relation to that product alone. And other people book in for a mortgage as they just want mortgage advice. But more often not, people are booking in for the full financial planning consultation where they get everything that's needed and that priority list is set. So that's it. That's the difference between financial advice and financial planning, in my opinion. And yes, we do both here. So I hope this video has added value and has helped.